Benjamin. Benjamin.
Come on.
Come on, baby. He's tired, huh?
Yeah.
Benjamin. You're just gonna sleep? Forget this tummy time. Benjamin. Benjamin.
They took a split of each of my arms and they put in titanium plates on the radius. There are probably about 4 screws in each one.
There you go. Oh, let us see how strong your neck is.
My dream has been to be a frontman. I love drawing, but really my passion is singing.
Yeah.
Good job.
There you go, buddy.
Good job. Look at you. You see how he lifts his leg up too when he did that? Let us see how strong you are, Ben. Good job.
Nice.
It's like, okay, I'm done.